Earning money as a student often seems like a distant dream. Between classes, assignments, and maintaining some semblance of a social life, it can feel impossible to balance studies with a side hustle. Yet in the digital age, students now have access to more tools, platforms, and opportunities than ever before. Making $10,000 0 cents as a student is no longer about working multiple shifts at a fast food joint or relying on your parents' allowance. It's about using your time wisely, learning marketable skills, and leveraging the internet to create real income streams. In this detailed video, we'll walk you through the exact steps and proven strategies to help you hit the $10,000 0 cents mark while still in school. Freelancing, the gateway to earning. Freelancing is one of the most flexible, beginner-friendly ways to start earning real money while in college. Whether you're studying liberal arts, computer science, or business, chances are you already have at least one skill that someone else would pay for. Writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, social media management, and even virtual assistants are in high demand. The best part? You don't need a degree or years of experience. You just need a laptop, internet connection, and a willingness to learn. Start by sharpening your skills using free and affordable resources like YouTube tutorials, Skillshare, Coursera, or Udemy. Begin building a small portfolio by taking on personal projects, helping friends, or offering to work for student organizations. Once you have some examples of your work, create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. While your initial projects may not pay much, they're an important investment in reputation. As you gather client reviews and complete more jobs, you'll be able to increase your rates and attract higher quality clients. Many student freelancers earn between $500 0 cents and $1,000 0 cents per month by freelancing just a few hours a week. That alone can get you to $10,000 0 cents a year with consistent effort. And the experience you gain can directly help your career after graduation. Content creation. Build and monetize an audience. Content creation is no longer just a hobby, it's a business. Students across the country are earning thousands of dollars a month by starting YouTube channels, TikTok pages, Instagram profiles, or blogs. If you enjoy talking about topics you're passionate about, like college hacks, personal development, fitness, gaming, or even study tips, then content creation might be your golden ticket. Start by choosing one platform and one niche. For example, a YouTube channel focused on student productivity or a TikTok account sharing dorm room hacks can attract a specific audience quickly. Once you consistently create content and engage with viewers, you'll start to grow. When your YouTube channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you become eligible for ad revenue through the YouTube Partner Program. But that's just the beginning. You can earn from sponsorship deals, affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission, digital product sales, and fan donations like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. The road is slow at first and you won't earn much in the beginning, but one viral video or breakout post can change everything. And once you build an audience, the income becomes semi-passive, meaning you can keep earning from old content while creating new. With consistency, a student content creator can realistically earn $500 0 cents to $2,000 0 cents a month or more. Affiliate marketing, earn passively by promoting products. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income as a student. It works like this. You sign up for a brand's affiliate program, get a unique link to promote their product or service, and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. The best part is that you don't need to create any products or handle customer service. The company handles everything while you focus on bringing in traffic. For students, this works especially well if you have a blog, YouTube channel, TikTok page, or even an active Instagram account. For example, you could write a blog post reviewing the 5 best laptops for college students and include Amazon affiliate links. Every time someone reads your post and buys a laptop through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Popular platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Impact, and individual brand programs like Canva, Bluehost, or Skillshare. To succeed, focus on content that helps people. Honest reviews, how-to guides, and personal recommendations work far better than spammy promotions. With consistent effort, affiliate marketing can bring in $300 0 cents to $1,000 0 cents per month once your content gains traction. It might start small, but over time, it can snowball into a substantial passive income stream. Sell digital products that scale. If you're looking for a way to earn money that doesn't rely on trading hours for dollars, digital products are your answer. A digital product is something you create once, like an ebook, template, study guide, design asset, or online course, and sell repeatedly with no additional production cost. For college students, this is a brilliant option because it leverages your academic strengths and creativity. For example, if you're great at taking organized notes in class, you could turn your semester's notes into a polished PDF study guide and sell it on Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. If you know how to use Notion or Canva, you could create and sell student planners, resume templates, budgeting sheets, or content calendars. These items are simple to make and incredibly useful to other students or young professionals. The initial effort involves designing, branding, and uploading your product, but once that's done, your store can run itself. You can promote your products through social media, your blog, or by collaborating with influencers. Selling just one $15 0 cents planner every day adds up to over $5,000 0 cents annually, and that's from just one product. As your library of digital offerings grows, so does your income. Paid remote internships. Learn and earn. Remote internships are the perfect combination of education and income. They allow you to gain real-world experience, build your resume, and get paid all from the comfort of your dorm room. And unlike traditional internships, remote roles offer flexible hours that fit around your class schedule. There are dozens of remote internship listings on platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Handshake, and AngelList. Common roles for students include social media marketing, content writing, software development, customer support, virtual assistants, and graphic design. Most internships pay between $12 0 cents to $25 0 cents per hour. Even working 10 hours a week can earn you $500 0 cents to $1,000 0 cents per month. Aside from the money, the connections you make during these internships can lead to full-time job offers, freelance clients, or valuable recommendations. If you take on 1 or 2 internships a year, they alone could bring in $3,000 0 cents to $6,000 0 cents, covering the majority of your $10,000 0 cents goal while giving your resume a serious boost. Offer a service like a solo business. Think of yourself not just as a student, but as a small business. If you have a skill that solves a problem, package it into a service, price it professionally, and promote it to people who need it. Services like resume writing, video editing, academic proofreading, social media management, or custom artwork are all excellent options. Let's say you offer resume revamps. Instead of charging $15 0 cents casually, build packages: $49 0 cents for a basic resume, $79 0 cents with a cover letter, and $129 0 cents with a LinkedIn profile makeover. Market these services on Instagram, LinkedIn, and to your campus clubs. You don't need a storefront, just a PayPal or Stripe account and a solid pitch. With just 10 clients per month at $50 0 cents, you're already at $500 0 cents monthly. By thinking like a business owner, you set yourself apart from other students. You'll start to understand customer service, marketing, pricing, and how to deliver real value. These lessons are worth even more than the money you'll make. Flip products and resell for profit. Flipping items for profit is a classic hustle that's especially useful if you enjoy bargain hunting and sales. The idea is simple: buy undervalued items, improve or repackage them, and resell them for a profit. You can find amazing deals at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and OfferUp. Look for gently used electronics, clothing, books, or collectibles. Clean them up, take good photos, and relist them on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, or Amazon. Some students specialize in flipping college textbooks, buying them cheap from outgoing seniors and selling them to freshmen at a markup. Others resell dorm essentials like mini fridges or chairs after moving out. With smart sourcing and some hustle, flipping can bring in $200 0 cents, $800 0 cents a month. It's also a great way to learn negotiation, inventory management, and basic e-commerce skills. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.